Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the traffic light detection system using Python. So in that project you have to upload any input video or image and model will recognize the color of that particular traffic sign. Okay, so we have uploaded that image
Unrecognized traffic light color.
and model will recognize the traffic sign color. Let's upload any other image and then click on upload button. Okay, model will load and detect the traffic sign light.
It is safe to cross the road.
Okay, it detected the red color. You can see in the terminal. It works on the real-time laptop front camera. Let's upload any other image. So the model will load and recognize that color of traffic sign light. Okay, this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface.
Unrecognized traffic light color.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.